Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to map COA to asset accounts in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in to the Fresa application. After successful login, this is how our dashboard looks like. Now, navigate to the Accounts module. On the Accounts module page, click the Account Settings menu. Under the Account Settings menu, select the Asset Master. In the Asset Master, the list of assets will be displayed. Click the Edit option next to the respective asset. After selecting the asset, go to the Accounts tab and click the Add button. Now, you can see the ledger mapped under the COA. Select the COA, Currency, and click Save. The ledger will now be added under the asset. These are the steps to map COA to asset accounts in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.